All right, I got the camera. Now what?
Just come outside and I'm going to show you. Oh, by the way, here's your umbrella too that you almost got me killed going outside in the trailer to get. Come on.
What do you mean?
Well, just walk with me, talk with me.
Wait a minute, I got to put this up because it's raining. I don't want the camera wet.
Well, God knows, don't open it inside.
What do you mean you almost got killed?
I just wait. I'm not giving it away yet. Just wait till you see. You know act of God, right?
Act of God?
Act of God. That's what it is. Act of God. Keep your camera down for a minute. All right. Now, my trail to the trailer is this way, right?
Yeah.
But yet I stopped to throw something in the county car, which is right here. And what's that?
And what's that?
What's that? Within 2 feet of me, I heard crack, and then I hear whoosh. And that's what happened. But
that ain't where?
Good. Right up there.
From all the way up there?
Yeah, that's what I mean. That's even though the branch doesn't look that big, that just snapped my neck. Like a freaking chicken bone.
Wow, that's big.
I know it's big. Ooh, look at that one. Ooh. This thing's only got like 10,000 miles.
So what are we going to do?
I gotta call homeowners.
This is not even our car.
I know. Oh crap, look at the windshield.
Oh my God, Jeff, that's bad.
I know it's bad.
And it's raining. Do you think it's getting inside?
I don't know. I just got you out.
Look at that.
I know. That's what I'm saying.
Oh my God.
Look at it. Look inside. Look at all the glass shards.
And how close were you?
I was here. I came out to get the umbrella. Right there's the straight line. I had the packet I had got earlier. I went like this, threw it on the back seat.
Right.
Then I went like this, and I heard crack, swoosh, and then whap. Act of God.
Oh my God. So you know what? It's not even windy out here.
No, I know. It's just drizzling.
And that tree's alive.
Well, the branch is alive. Look. Look at this. Look at the end of it. I mean, this thing's alive. It isn't like a windstorm just broke it off. Look.
That's bizarre.
Yeah, it's just...
Is it rotted?
No. There's a damn rotten piece on here. This was one of those moments like...
How come I don't even see like a broken part up there?
I don't either. That's the oddity. But it had to, look, it had to come from right... If it hit here, it was right there.
It had to be pretty high, right?
It didn't hit the trailer at all either. That's the oddest part of this whole thing.
So what are we going to do?
Like I said, I'll take some pictures, call the homeowners.
Homeowners will cover this?
I don't know.
I mean, it's not our vehicle, so...
Well, it's our house, our tree, though, but I mean... So, I don't know if
but it's not like we didn't maintain our tree.
I know. We just spent, what, $8,000 2 years ago and had a crap ton of trees cut out of here just for this. Well, they're coming out, too.
And the rain really wasn't that heavy.
It wasn't windy. It wasn't heavy rain. That's what I'm saying. But it's one of those moments when you go, and because it was that close. And I remember another moment that was that close. We went to Angry Grandpa's funeral. Me and Jess drove all night to get there. And we come up to the intersection right up from the church. This car comes like 60 miles an hour careening across and just misses Jesse's car by like an inch. And it was one of them when you're like this, you're having your aha moment, your
life flash before your eyes.
Right.
So now all these acorns that are on here, like they're still attached and they still have like green on them.
That's what I mean. There's nothing
It doesn't
wrong
make
with
any
this.
sense why it should fall.
This is like a squirrel family was out to get me or something like that, because it's almost like it was targeted.
Well, you know what? We do have turkey buzzards that land in the trees, and it could be like 25 of them.
Right.
And then when they go to take off, they like push off. Because I've heard limbs fall in the woods.
Right, you hear them, they push off the whoop, whoop, whoop.
You think that maybe that could have
But
happened?
I didn't hear that. Here it is. I'm right here. I just shut the door and I was here when it came down. But that's how close it is. It's like you feel it was almost enough breeze to knock my hat off. I exaggerate, but so yeah, my heart's racing. It's like, oh my God, that was a close one. But I'm saying that branch isn't big enough. It may not have killed me,
but it could have knocked you down, and you could have hit your head
30 feet
somewhere.
Or 40 feet in the air, it could have knocked me on my ass and
Well,
broke
yeah,
my
because
neck.
you would be between two cars,
Right.
and you could have hit your head.
Right, I
You
know,
had a
that's what I mean.
concussion.
But it looks like your Volkswagen's still got the same scratches
Are
it
you
had
going to
before.
check to see if there's any water coming through there?
Well,
Maybe we should get a trash bag and put it
hasn't
on the
rained, It's just
dashboard.
sprinkling. But look, did you show the dash with all the glass shards on it? Go show the dashboard. Look at them. Look at them all there, and then get right in there. Holy crap.
Wow. That's really bad.
Yeah, I know it's bad.
That means you're going to have to look for glass all over the place.
Right. Oh, here's a big ass thing stuck down in here too. Look, there's glass shard. Look,
You can't drive this like this.
No, look at that
so
big glass shard.
I don't see any moisture though.
No,
Like
well-
there's no water coming
Well, it's
through.
not raining hard enough to get anything in there yet.
But it's
Now, if
supposed
it
to rain.
pours
It's
tonight,
supposed to rain hard.
yeah, so I'm gonna have to tarp it too. God, this is freaky crap. You
Do
ever
we
know
have-
near-death
do-
experiences? How you feel your heart's all pumped up and you're sitting there thinking, Jesus God, that was close.
I didn't even hear a thing.
I know. Well, you probably wouldn't because you're in the house. The windows are all shut. The air conditioner's on.
So our first thing to do is to cover it up, and then what? And then call homeowners.
Yeah, I'll call homeowners. See, after
And then I
after
guess
hours, but
you can take one of my cars to work.
probably. Yeah, because the goat and the Firebird aren't coming out of the garage, so especially in this weather. So yeah, it'll be the Mazda or the Volkswagen. I might
Okay.
get teased at work with a Volkswagen, especially with the mushroom on the side or the flower display seat covers.
So,
Well, it's all right for you.
do you have to notify somebody at the county?
Yes, I got to notify the AL person, which is automotive liability people. Someone will have to come out here and take pictures, send that to the group, and then go from there. But first off, now I got to get
That's unbelievable.
a windshield. First off, that's the key thing.
You're very lucky.
Oh, I know.
I mean, you could say that it's not that lucky, but I mean,
it is
first
lucky.
Of all, it's lucky that you were out of the way, but I
can-
mean, the damage that it's done.
You can fix
But
it
thank
then.
God it didn't fall in the trailer.
Oh, I know. But you can fix a dent. You can fix a windshield. You can't fix yourself. You can't fix health. So, but again, you're right.
And the timing of it.
The timing's the screwed up part. It's almost like it was trying to get me.
It's almost like it tried to scare you.
It did. I don't know. But again, like you said, if it was over thing, it would probably rip the shit out of that cover, the awning over the slide, or it's a rubber roof. It could have went right through that too.
Right. Do we have a waterproof cover that we can put on that, or do you want to just tape a trash bag over it?
No, I think you had all those little covers that you made before the shop closed up.
So you're going to put that
I
on?
just put one of
But
them
what's
over
going to
it,
make
yeah.
it stay up there, though?
No, if I flop it over it, all right, because it's not windy. That's the
No, but
oddity.
it might be a cold front's coming in or something.
But I know, but that's the oddity. There is no wind. There's nothing. There's not a turkey buzzard was sitting up there. There wasn't a breeze. It wasn't heavy rain. It was just.
Yeah, I mean, I could see if it was like that one there where it has all the dead leaves on it. You
Right.
see it over there?
Maybe it's the tree getting back at me for cutting all the other trees down over the years. But I always cut standing dead.
Standing what?
Standing dead. That standing dead trees is like that tree back there. See that
Oh,
big one?
you mean
That's-
because they're completely dead?
They're completely dead, but they're still
yeah,
standing.
Okay, I get you. I get.
And
what
that's
you're
all I
saying.
usually ever cut.
Yeah.
But we did cut a crap ton of trees when Garrison came in, remember?
Yeah.
So
So do you think what this thing, this end here is what poked a hole in the windshield?
no, I don't think so. I think one of these branches did that because I think that end hit. It all came
Oh,
down
put
flat
the-
and hit
put the dent-
and then the
put the
weight
dent
of it
in it?
flipped it up. That's what I'm guessing. Man.
Oh, it broke it too, didn't it?
Yeah. That's what I mean. There's a big dent across here. Look.
Yeah, but
And then look at the dent there.
no, like you could stick your finger in that ridge right here.
And here? Yeah, but that's the hood.
No, see how it's far apart?
Yeah, I know. It's because that's been in it, separated the hood. So the hood.
So that, I bet you right there that's going to be $1,000.
Oh hell, that's a lot more than that. Because you got the fender that's got to be replaced, you got the hood that's got to be fixed or replaced, you got the windshield that has to be replaced, and they got all that electronic crap hooked to windshields now. So, at least my heart rate's coming back down.
Oh, good.
Mother God.
Well, I guess it teaches you something.
What? It teaches you can't even walk out your own yard.
Teaches you got to look up.
You're not safe anywhere you go, people. You can't even walk in your own yard without freaking chipmunks and squirrels and crap throwing acorns and tree limbs at you.